scream to be alive!
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Mills County in southwestern Iowa, Pottawatomie County in southwestern Iowa, southeastern Harrison County in southwestern Iowa, southwestern Shelby County in southwestern Iowa, Sarpy County, southeastern Washington County, northeastern Lancaster County in southeastern Nebraska, Douglas County, southeastern Saunders County, central Cass County in southeastern Nebraska until 10:45 p.m. At 9:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles south of Persia to Omaha to near Wahoo, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Omaha, Council Bluffs, Bellevue, Ralston, Gretna, Boys Town, Elkhorn, Millard, La Vista, and Carter Lake around 10 p.m. Papillion, Walnut Creek Recreation Area, and Council Bluffs Airport around 10:05 p.m. Offutt Air Force Base, Ashland, Springfield, Trainer, and Hancock around 10:10 p.m. Oakland, Louisville, and Cedar Creek around 10:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Plattsmouth, Glenwood, Carson, Pacific Junction, Macedonia, Silver City, Murdoch, Henderson, Malvern, Murray, and Beaver Lake. This includes the following highways: Interstate 29 between mile markers 29 and 77. Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 1 and 46.